Tesla Magic Dock makes second appearance in Canada. Tesla's Magic Dock has arrived in Canada, and after we reported on the first installation last week, Teslarati has received exclusive pictures of the second installation. Tesla's Magic Dock enables non-Tesla vehicles to utilize superchargers with a connector that will fit other electric vehicles. Drivers of non-Tesla EVs will scan a QR code at the site that Tesla has placed at these Magic Dock-enabled supercharger locations. It then launches instructions on how to connect and charge using a Tesla supercharger. Last week, the first superchargers in Canada to be fitted with the Magic Dock were live in Deep River, Northern Ontario. But Tesla has continued to install the Magic Dock at other supercharger locations. The second has been installed in North Bay, which is roughly 2 hours west of the first in Deep River. A Teslarati reader shared images of the Magic Docks in North Bay. As you can see, Tesla has also placed the QR code at the Magic Dock so that non-Tesla EV drivers can scan it and receive directions on how to connect. Tesla initially started installing Magic Docks in the United States earlier this year, starting in New York and California. Superchargers equipped with the Magic Dock eventually made their way to Texas, but the installations have not been extremely widespread. Tesla has had more luck with automakers simply adopting their NACS connector, which will allow them to use superchargers without a Magic Dock starting spring 2024. Source: reposted and summarized from Joey Klender at Teslarati.